is me, Jimmy Geek. I own a yoga book which have a micro USB. I own a lot of phone which are micro USB. So here is a SanDisk Dual Drive M3 OTG cable. I'm going to do a unboxing. I'm going to do a review. Not only review, I'm going to do a speed test. They say it have up to 150 megabyte per second transfer file. I'm gonna check out. Jump to the unboxing table. Here is the SanDisk Ultra Dual Drive M3, as you can see from the front, and then let me show you from the back. So why not let me open this one. Okay, here we go. Here we already had open. Okay, this seems quite beautiful, to be honest with you, at the end of the day. Okay, I also need to open this seal. Is that open right now? Not yet. It's already open. So yeah, this is already open, to be honest with you. I mean, this is a really very small, so why not let me see how I can change on the box. They say do like this. Okay, they say you can open this slider like this, I'm not sure. Okay, this is like this, but I want to open like this. Okay, this is already open. So here's my Nokia 6. Let me do OTG like with it. Wow, I mean, it's really very easy. I mean, it's really very easy. So now let's do the speed test of it. I'm going to copy with the USB 3 and I'm going to test with the micro USB on my yoga book. So here it is, as you can see, the 128GB OTG Flash Drive. So I'm already using it, but I wanna copy a file, this 1.7 gigabyte file, and then see how fast it can copy. So 18.7 megabyte per second is slow. To be honest with you, it's quite slow. I'm literally not happy. I mean, this is slow. I mean, this is the definition of slow. It's slow, to be honest with you. Okay, slow. I mean, I'm not happy. I can just say that I am not happy with it. Let me stop and then let me copy this. Okay, I wanna copy a file, mobile test videos. Okay, let me see. Let me copy this handbag, I mean folder. It have around 9 images. Okay, and let me copy here and then see. Okay, it's fast. I mean, it's fast, but whatever sound, Rwanda trip. Let's see how good is the Rwanda trip folder. Let me copy here. Here we go. Okay, it's fast. I mean, writing on a hard drive is fast compared to copying on it. Can I recommend? Yeah, just as a flash drive, but the speed are not that fast. It was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and bye.